Les adjectifs possessifs, possessive adjectives. Bonjour les amis. Today, our lesson focuses on possessive adjectives. And for those of you who haven't been in school for a while, the possessive adjectives in English are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. And today you're going to learn how to say those in French. Let's get started with my. French is a tiny bit different from English, if you know what I mean. So possessive adjectives will change according to the gender of the word they precede. So let's get started with masculine words. Here is a cute masculine word, le chien, the dog. Le chien. He is masculine because he has le in front of it. If you want to say my dog, then you will say mon chien. Mon chien. Mon chien est mignon. Isn't he cute? Mon chien est mignon. My dog is cute. So now, let's talk about your dog. Instead of mon, you will say ton. Ton chien. Your dog. Ton chien. Ton chien est mignon. Ton chien est mignon. Your dog is cute. Let's move on to his, her, or its. If we talk about the dog again, we will say son chien. It doesn't matter whether the owner of the dog is a man or a woman. The object is le chien, which is masculine. That's why we say son chien. Son chien est mignon. Son chien est mignon. His or her dog is cute. So now you understand. In front of masculine words, you will say mon, ton, son. Again, mon, ton, son. My, your, his, her, its. Let's move on to feminine words. And we start with my. Voici la poule. La poule, the chicken. If you want to say my chicken, you will use ma. Ma poule. Ma poule. My chicken. Ma poule est mignonne. Ma poule est mignonne. My chicken is cute. Next possessive adjective is your. If we take the example of the chicken again, your chicken will be ta poule. Ta poule. Ta poule est mignonne. Your chicken is cute. And we move on to his, her, or its with feminine words again. Maybe you guessed. Sa poule, his or her chicken. Sa poule. So in a sentence, you'll say sa poule est mignonne. Sa poule est mignonne. His or her chicken is cute. So let's review the possessive adjective in front of feminine words. It is ma, ta, sa. Remember we had mon, ton, son. Well, now it's ma, ta, sa. Now, French would not be fun if there was not an exception to the rule. If a feminine word starts with a vowel or a mute H, you will not say ma, ta, or sa. You will use mon, ton, son. Let's take an example. Une amie. Amie starts with an A, so a vowel. So therefore, we'll say mon ami for my friend, not ma amie. For the word une habitation, a house, the word starts with an H, therefore we'll use mon habitation, not ma habitation. Mon ami, mon habitation. Now, let's talk about words in the plural form. Voici les chats, the cats. Les chats. The plural form is indicated by the article les. If you want to say my cats, you use mes. Mes chats. My cats. Mes chats. So now maybe you can guess what your cats will be. Yes, tes chats. Tes chats. Your cats. And for his or her cats, ses chats. Ses chats. His cats or her cats. If you want to make sentences, I think now you got it. Mes chats sont mignons. My cats are cute. Tes chats sont mignons. Your cats are cute. And the last one, ses chats sont mignons. His cats are cute or her cats are cute. Ses chats sont mignons. So now, let's review what we just learned. In front of plural words, to say my, your, his, her, or its, we use mes, tes, ses. Again, mes, tes, ses. We now reached the second part of the lesson on possessive adjectives. We're going to see how to say our, your, the formal or plural your, and their. This group of possessive adjectives is a little easier because you do not have masculine or feminine forms. You just have singular or plural. So let's get started. Voici la voiture, the car. La voiture, which is feminine. You see the word la. And then we have le fils, the son. Le fils, which is a masculine word because you have le. As I said it earlier, we don't care about the gender. So if you want to use the word our car will be notre voiture. Notre voiture. And our son, notre fils. Notre fils. Notre fils conduit notre voiture. Our son drives our car. Notre fils conduit notre voiture. Suppose you want to say your car and your son. The word your is votre. Votre voiture, your car. Votre fils, your son. Votre fils conduit votre voiture. Your son drives your car. Votre fils conduit votre voiture. And the last pronoun is their, leur. Leur voiture, their car, leur voiture, et leur fils, their son, leur fils. Leur fils conduit leur voiture. Their son drives their car. Leur fils conduit leur voiture. You're now ready to mix those up. For example, notre fils conduit votre voiture. Our son drives your car. Notre fils conduit votre voiture. We are now ready for the words in the plural form. So, here's an example. Les amis, the friends. It's in the plural form because of the article les. To be able to say our friends, you replace les by nos. Nos amis, our friends. Nos amis. We make the liaison as well. If you would like to say your friends, it is vos amis. Vos amis, your friends. And for the last possessive adjective, their friends, leurs amis. It's the same word as their friend if you're talking about one friend, but you add an S. So instead of leur ami, it's leurs amis with the liaison. Leurs amis, their friends. Here are a few sentences with these new possessive adjectives. Nos amis sont muets. Yeah, maybe you noticed. Huh? Our friends are mute. Nos amis sont muets. Your friends too are mute. Vos amis sont muets. Vos amis sont muets. And of course, you will guess that their friends are mute and their friends is leurs amis. Leurs amis sont muets aussi. Leurs amis sont muets. So that's it, my friends. You have all the possessive adjectives in French. Look at the board. Mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, c'est, notre, nos, votre, vos, and leur without or with an S. I hope this video was useful. Merci de votre attention. Thank you for your attention. Au revoir.